So let's install this project first in our VS Code. So we'll just say code. Let's open the VS Code, and I already have selected this YouTube this folder. So I'll just open the terminal. Let me open the terminal full. Let's clear it, and let's I already in this CD, right? So here I will do git clone and paste this link to install that file, and now I will have this task tracker command line project. I will move into that project. So task cd task here ls. So I have this file. I will open this file and this file. As for now, this is the main file which is the work, right? And this is where the data actually stored. So let's also open this both files from this to this. Great. And now what I want to start explaining this command lines uh, to use it. So let's go with our first command. As over here we can see, okay, so by default there is data over here. So I'm just removing this data so we can add while going. So this Python, okay, so to add any new task in, you have to open the terminal again, and let me just download a little bit just to show that it adds. So Python, we'll say Python because we are using Python, and we will name the file task cli.py, and from here it is important to add and any task name you want to add. Or suppose we are going to the gym, so let's add gym, and here you can see we added gym, okay, and that's the add command. But this will not work if I will do the python let me, okay, python task CLI, and then if I do add, and if I say like gym and workout, this will not add because it has spaces in it. So if I do, it goes to the else block, of it, this last else block. So what to do then? You can actually use this command, but in a way like dash. You can use dash and underscore to connect this and make a one line for the program. So once you add this is added as a task successfully added, and also added as a id2. Okay, that's great. And what about next? So if you want to update this task, suppose I actually want to update the task, right? So we'll just say okay, so which one we have to update, gym and us. So let's update this one as something else because we already have gym. So we'll open the terminal and clear, okay, and we'll say python update, and here we will give what, oh, we have to first give the task CLI update, and then because we want to update this second one, so it have his own ID second. So we will just put here 2, and it will ask us what to update with. So I'll say now we will update this with learn Linux, okay, and this id has now learn updated the task name with learn linux. So now if you see that gym and do workout, gym the workout, the it's actually changed the name of that description, because before it was like gym and workout. So that's what we change in the description. With learning with update you can change the name of the task basically. And let's delete the this task also, id2. So it's as simple as you just say python and the same till here it's same with the file name, and you say delete command, and you want to delete these learn linux which have id2. So just give the id and it will learn linux deleting successful. So it just deleted, it is not longer in the file, in our json file. So that's it, and you cannot undo it basically once you deleted it, but you can change from here by control z. It's just like a temporary one. Okay, and let's see about the anything else we got. List all tasks. Okay, so it's just simple, is you just say to list all the tasks you want to show. So you just say list and it will show you all these tasks. My bad. So okay, and here you can see a detail, right? If you update any task it will show like this. Okay, so let me show you why this shown the update time, because we have actually changed, right? Because before it was gym and workout, that's why. And when we change it to learn linux, it's actually capture the update time, and that's why it's showing this. If we create a new, let's suppose python task CLI add drink water. Okay, drink water, and then again we go and say python task CLI list. So it will not create an updated not it will not show you the updated time as it's showing over here, because we have not updated the task name. That's why. And you can only see I think with the list the time when it is created. So it is important detail to in the list you can see when it was created and when it was updated. Let's move on to the next useful command. So mark task. Okay, suppose you have drink the water, so let's just mark it done. Okay, so mark python everything same till here like task CLI, you here say mark done, and now you have to again mention the id which is 3 in our cases for drinking water. So task drinking water, task drinking water is basically done status. Okay, you can also actually view list this. Okay, so if you want to list the items, so you can just say list. So here are the list of items, all tasks that are done. You can see it only contain the drink water because we have marked it done. Okay, other two are in the, if you want to see the list, right, you can see this way. Okay, we have three things. By default it is to do, like here to do. By default this all three are to do, but when you can mark particularly if you want to do done or something else. Okay, so that's what I said in this line. So mark to do one. So okay, because let's first mark gym as done. Okay, so python mark done one. Okay, Now if I again do python list done, so it will show me the list of the file, a list of the tasks which are done. So gym done and the drink water done. But right, that's what list done do. So I have to actually now change this done status to to do of the gym. So let's also do this python task CLI mark to do one. So it will change now gym to do. And if you do, you can also list right what you need to do. So let's just do that list to do. So you have to guess this, right? Gym its status to do, and the linux learn linux also status to do, because to do status is by default of every task. Okay, again, that's what you can change by doing in progress, or you can change it to done. Let's see another command. Okay, python task CLI list to do, which list all the to dos which we done here. And if you want to mark something as in progress, let's say I want to mark this learn linux as in progress. So what we'll do, python task and mark, which will mark in dash progress. This is important, right? This dash is important to actually accept the command and type as it is. And then here we have to mark the learn linux, so it changes to in progress. You can also see it here. And to list something which is in progress, you just say task CLI list which are in dash progress. Okay, and it will list all the tasks which are in progress, which you have mark in progress. That task only list in progress. Okay. That's the project, how to use it. And if you are interested making more project like this, you do go here, roadmap ssh, and this is the actually the project URL of it, how I made it basically. But you can also see all other projects you can make. So that's it for this video. If you have any particular doubt or something related project or any improvement for this project, I know this project have a lot of things to improve. So let me know in the comment section, and thanks for your feedback if you give me in advance though.